Hi, it's Joe Hashy from Level Up Your Gym with your daily email tip. Here's what I'm suggesting today. I want you to go to your Facebook page and make sure in your mind you've created an intro offer for people who haven't been to your facility yet. Maybe for you, that intro offer is a free session. Maybe it's 2 free sessions. Maybe it's a 5-day pass. Maybe it's a 7-day pass. Maybe it's a discount 30 days. Those are very common ones in the industry. Don't offer hop all around. You need to choose one and test it. So don't just put out content on social media with no call to action to one of your offers. So if you put up a recipe at the bottom, you can put some little emojis, dress it up a little, but you want the call to action to your offer. Message us now for a free session, or message us now to learn more. Whatever it is, you need to get call to action on your Facebook posts. They need to be the same for a while so you can test and learn if they're working. Too often I see gym owners just throwing stuff out on their Facebook posts, hop and offer to offer every single post they do, and it doesn't give you an opportunity to figure out what's really working. So take a breath, stay consistent with an offer for at least a month, then you'll know if it works before changing. No more sleepless nights deciding what you're going to do tomorrow, the day after, jump offers all around. Clear that up, stay consistent, test it, stay the course, learn, and you'll be fine. So today's tip, come up with an offer, clearly state it, and test it. Thank you for watching the video. And if you know any other gym owners that could benefit, please share this with them using the link below.